Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So I just want to focus here really on the short term. Yesterday I think we discussed all the possible options. Maybe one more thing to highlight. If we lose yesterday's low again at 15.99, then my first view will be that I'm going to count this here as a wave 2. So that is then the scenario where we might get an overall extension to the upside, yeah. Highlighted that yesterday to you, just want to repeat it once more because it is very real that we could lose that low, even though we rallied above the 1650 level. So we just need to hold support now, of course, you know. But if we don't, then this might be in the end of the low of last week, a wave 1, here an A wave, then we rallied in probably what you could consider a B wave, and we are now coming down in a C wave, possibly an ending diagonal where we had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and we might get one more low. And then we have here a wave 2. That's where you might get stopped out and it immediately starts to rally again. You know, it is a situation at the moment where it could either be a wave 4 or a wave 2 in a bullish scenario. And if it morphs from a wave 4 and a wave 2, the support levels are very close together. So therefore I highlighted to you, be careful with short positions at the moment, because if you're shorting, okay, it depends on the time frame, right? But if you're shorting and you try to short when the wave 4 gets invalidated, then you're shorting directly in wave 2 support. So it's a bit, you know, it could take out your short straight away. Because after that, you know, when we get into this region here, maybe around 1450, 1550, around those last week lows, it could rally from here and make another 5-wave move up. That would be a wave 3 of this wave 5, which I would need to move to the upside there. Then we could get a wave 4 and a wave 5. And it could be the extension that we discussed in yesterday's videos and the videos before. Yeah, I just always need to repeat it to make it clear, because I don't want you to miss information. If you miss important information, you might make the wrong decisions. Now, again, that is no financial advice here anyway. But we have a 5-wave move up from yesterday's low. So I would count this as a possible 5-wave move to the upside, which gives some confidence that a low really has been made here. You remember yesterday we said to get more confidence that a low has been made, or at least initial evidence, would be a break above 1650. Now that has been made. So we can count here possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All good. Yeah, we've got 5 waves up. That's, however, as you know, only the very first indication that a low has been made. So we've got 5 up. Let me change the wave degree. This could be now, on a micro level, the first wave 1. And we could come down now in a wave 2 and could then carry on to the upside. Yeah. This is the scenario. If we hold the low from yesterday, we may not get this extension and it will just rally in one more wave up. That's sort of what I still at the moment expect, because support levels haven't been taken out, and there is no change to the scenario which we discussed throughout the this week and end of last week. Okay, but it's obviously coming down quite impulsively. Now that's not necessarily a problem, because such a wave 2 consists also of an impulse, you know, at least in the wave C. So it could be we came down in an A wave, this was a B wave, and we come down in a C wave now. However, it's coming down quite impulsively. So typically what you would expect is that they find support somewhere at the previous wave 4 low. Now that was taken out clearly. So yeah, it could carry on, but it's all about now, I think, if this is a 1-2 setup here, and by the way, I'm going to change the wave degree again. It should hold ideally the 78.6 retracement. And that is at 1616. Yeah, so if it doesn't hold that level, then this whole pattern will probably break down and we see a much deeper correction. Yeah, so for now, it's coming down quite impulsively. It doesn't look it's finished yet. Okay, it doesn't make sense really to count here the micro level, but could very well be, you know, A wave, B wave. Here, A wave down, yeah, B wave up, 3 waves. So 5 waves down, 3 waves up. And now we come down in 5 waves, and it looks like we had a wave 1, 2, maybe 3. Maybe we're doing the 4 now. Could come down in one more sell-off wave here in a C wave. But yeah, that's sort of what we need to watch out for. So 1616 needs to hold. It doesn't mean if we go down by $1, it will suddenly break down, yeah. Eventually, where you set your stop loss is an individual decision. I had a few questions yesterday. That depends on your strategy. It depends on your portfolio. It depends on your position size. You know, I can't tell you exactly where you should set your stop loss, but there are different. It depends on when you entered as well. You know, it's you know, you can't really. But the thing is, if we have a sustained break below 1616, it will increase probabilities that the whole pattern will break down. It's not for sure. So, but then typically sort of, 85-90% of patterns fail 1-2 setups. And then we are probably morphing into this larger wave 2. Okay, yeah, that's sort of the idea about this. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.